So I want to show you what the full detail came out to be on this vehicle. So exterior of the vehicle, we got a good wax and everything on that. They cleaned it up pretty well. They did the interior. Let's take a look of what underneath the hood. This is what makes everything pop. When you see a car before, now we look at it after. The engine's been properly detailed and dressed. It looks amazing. There is no question about it from a before and after what the vehicle looked like, but properly, this area right here, all the plastics have been dressed, it's been cleaned, they pressure washed it, they got all the dirt and the grime and mud out and everything. There's no oil drips. If you look at every hose, every belt, every dipstick, everything looks like it's brand new, and that's really what you want somebody to see when they go to rebuy this vehicle. So they're looking underneath the hood, they're gonna feel like they're buying from a dealership. They feel like, man, this car is like practically brand new. When they see that, that is so important. So to me, that's what really makes a sale right there. When the customer sees that, that's their buying decision. They've made a decision in their head to buy the vehicle. So looking at the rest of the vehicle, of course, they dressed the tires. Now these tires, we were fortunate when we bought the car, it only has 700 miles on a full set of Pirelli tires. So we got lucky with this. So that was one of my favorite things when we bought the car. So had a little bit of a scratch there. They buffed that out, so they did a good job buffing that out. The rest of the vehicle looks absolutely great. I mean, it looks like a new car. All the plastic and everything like that, there's a lot of dirt that was built up back here, so they got everything wiped down, they blew it out. They used a high pressure air hose to blow out a lot of their dirt and grime and such. They cleaned out the wheel well area down here below. Sounds silly, but you never know. You got somebody that just say, hey, let me look at the spare tire. And this car stock didn't come with a spare tire because it was a inexpensive edition. The previous owner bought the spare tire for the car. He explained that to me when I bought the car from him. So that looks great. The whole interior area here looks fantastic. And when the seats fold down flat, yeah, they did a good job. They detailed everything in there. So remember the jams right here? In these jams, when somebody opens it up and they see a bunch of dirt built up here, it's an eyesore. So the good news is they did a good job detailing all that, getting that all cleaned up. So everything, when somebody opens it up, they said, man, all this looks good. It's very appealing to the eyes. All the interior looks great. They're like, oh, all right. This car it really looks like a brand new car now.